Las bocinas, el estéreo retumbando, unas modelos bien frías lo que ando tomando. Pasecito para andar levantado, un blontecito y que no falte el spray morado.
What up, gang? Let me turn on my headphones just in case this is recording through these mics. What's up, man? It's early Saturday. Damn, it's a nice CTS. Squirrel. Runs good, 2,900. That's pretty cheap. I love CTS, man. I used to have one. But it's early Saturday. Did I say Sunday? It's early Saturday. I'm tired as hell, man. I worked till like 10 last night at the shop trying to get this car done. Woke up early. I'm heading to Tampa right now, like the Wesley Chapel area. Gonna meet up my cousin. I'm buying a compressor off of him. I'm buying an 80-gallon compressor, Ingersoll Rand. Brand new, man, practically brand new. He only painted like 2 cars with it. He called me the other day, gave me a good deal on it, man. And I've been painting with the same Iron Horse 60. Some dude said, I said on live the other day, said I look like Pancho Villa and shit with my fucking mustache. So I've been painting with that same Iron Horse 60 gallon for like 6-7 years now. I painted a lot of cars with it, man. All the cars I painted with that compressor. It's worked good, man. Great for the years. I've been wanting to upgrade. I literally just told my wife probably like a week or 2 before that I wanted to upgrade, that I wanted to start budgeting for it. And he calls me out the blue and said, yo, man, today come and get it for this price. So I couldn't pass up on it, man. So we're on our way to go pick it up. Got the trailer in the back. Stay tuned, man. I'm pretty excited. My paint jobs come out nice now with the 60-gallon compressor. I painted a truck in his booth with his compressor, and that came out like glass, man. So got my café de canela. So man, I can't wait to, damn, look at this. That ain't it, fam. They try to do that old school two-tone look on it. Ugh. I'm not a hater, man, but damn, that shit look ugly. So yeah, I'm excited, man. I'm gonna go pick it up, get it loaded up, strapped down, bring it back to the shop, get it connected. Also, like I was saying, so my paint jobs come out nice now with the 60-gallon. So man, I can't wait to get that 80-gallon connected. Bigger motor, you know, cooler air because it's bigger. Don't have to run longer. So man, I'm happy. Let's go pop in once we get there. Man, if you vlog, you can relate. I loaded up this whole compressor and forgot to record one little bit of it, man. I'd be forgetting, dog. I could have got a little hyperlapse clip or something, but I picked up the compressor here in Tampa. I'm about to go drop the storage unit key off to my cousin and head back to the shop and get it unloaded, man. But it's nice, brand new. I got all the pipes to run the filters. I got all the hoses for it, so it should be coming out nice. Well, guys, I forgot to get clips. It started raining this past Saturday when I went to get the compressor, so I couldn't really record, man. But I did get it loaded up by my damn self. That shit was hard, man. The lady at the front office, she's like, because I bought it for my cousin, he had it at a storage unit. So I put up to the storage unit by myself. She's like, I don't know how you're gonna get that loaded. They took 2 people to load it. Trust me, I fuck this truck. But yeah, here's the old compressor, man. My old Iron Horse. I bought this thing like probably like 6 years ago, maybe. Thing's been working great, man. I love it. I've been having it for years. It's kept up. The reason I bought this one, well, because I didn't have money for an 80-gallon at the time. But the reason I went with this one, because it has 6.5 horsepowers. And every 60-gallon that you see only has like 2 or 3 horsepower. So this motor fills up the compressor fast. That's why I never lacked with it. But I did need more air, you know, because to have run this hose and to be painting on one side, it draws a lot of air. So man, I wanted to upgrade, and I finally upgraded. So this one's for sale. I really don't have no use for it. I might save it. I bought one because I got a shop at my dad's house too. So I already bought one for that shop. So this one is just going to be sitting around. So I might sell it. I got it up for sale. I might hold on to it, man, because I always be selling shit and might regret it later on. So I might hold on to it. But here's the new one. The new big boy. Oof, look at that beast, man. Look at that beast. It's a Ingersoll Rand 80-gallon. It's an 80-gallon single-phase compressor from Ingersoll Rand. Like I said, I've been wanting to upgrade forever, man. I just didn't have a chance to. Money's been tight, I ain't gonna lie, especially putting a lot of money into the siempre tumbado business. So man, I'm happy as hell that I was able to upgrade. Now these paint jobs they're gonna be flawless, man. Ain't no excuses now. I really didn't have no excuses before, but really ain't no excuses now. So right now I'm getting the switch wired up. It came with the little small 110 style plug, but I got 220 here, so I'm gonna wire it up. I'm wiring it up now. Gonna plug it in, then I'm gonna start working with it, man. All right. So yeah, so I already done a few of these, man. I already know how they go. So I haven't, the white, somebody told me that it don't matter where you put the white and the black, like it's the same shit. But I still put it in the exact same spot that the old one was, so I don't believe them and I don't trust them. So the white goes right here. Crank that bitch down. I love working on cars, man. I just hate the bullshit that comes with it. That's just like anything, right? I guess. All right, now we got the green. Green's ground. And electrical, green is ground, not black. Don't let me fool you. I don't know what I'm doing. And please don't do this at home if you don't. If you don't know what you're doing, don't do this at home. You can die, you get shocked. Just go to plug it in. And yeah, I'm wearing my shirt. I wear my shirt everywhere, man. Actually, I turned this style right here into my work shirt. We put an order of shirts in. I'm not gonna say no names. I don't like down talking people, but I put an order of shirts in with somebody that does shirts here locally. Big order of shirts, and they ended up messing them all up, man. Like 40 or 80 shirts got ruined. They didn't get ruined, but I'll show you. Let me see if I can put the phone down somewhere. Alright, if you look at the words in the back, it's like completely off center. Alright, it's a little off center, I'm sure you can tell. So instead of destroying them and selling messed up shirts to people, I turned all these shirts into my work shirts. The guy, he was nice enough. He like I said, he took care of me, so I ain't gonna talk bad about the guy. He you know, I showed him the issue that we were having with these shirts, and I showed him, you know, and I told him, and I sent him pictures. It wasn't just a few of them. I think it was all of them that were all on the line. So you know, he was nice. He said, hey man, I'm sorry I didn't catch that, but you know, let me make it right for you. I'll get you a whole new shirt order done. You know, you don't have to cover nothing. Just let me know what sizes you need. So he ended up taking care of us, man. So I appreciate him. But so yeah, I turned these shirts into my work shirts now. All right, got it in here, man. Fit perfectly. You know how to tag it. We got these stickers available online. SiempreTumbado.com. We got these, all different colors, man. White ones, red ones. If you don't like the color, we got all different kinds. Pelican stickers, man, all kinds of stuff. Texas stickers. But yeah,
So get your decal, man. I love these. I'll be slapping them on everything. Everywhere I go, I gotta slap one somewhere. But I got it connected, got the pipes, got the filters connected. Let's plug it in. Let's see if I wired it up right. Make sure I don't get shocked in this bitch. Make sure the drain's closed. Whoa, what the fuck was that? God damn it. Alright, let's let it fill up. Quiet, man, compared to my old one. I'm sure once you close that, you won't even hear it. Paint boost's almost done, man. Well, it's pretty much done. All I got to do is hang up these lights real quick. These bright ass LED lights. Let me show y'all. Gonna hang these up on the wall over here. Man, these things help out a lot. And be ready to paint. I got this one about done. Got the quarter sectioned in. I got everything lined up. Bumper's loose, but I got everything lined up. I'm about to start finish the body work and paint it. But that's a whole nother vlog. Yeah, it's filling up pretty fast. I've been wanting a new compressor for years now. So I got this grill here, man. Somebody painted it from around here. I'm not too sure who, but I've been working on it. About to throw some primer on it, paint it, get it cleared right now. First coat, you want to just dust it on there. And I'm not priming the whole thing. I'm only priming the spots where I broke through. Well, guys, I gotta say that compressor's badass, man. Puts out good pressure. Man, look at that. I know y'all see the metallics. Oof. Laid out like glass, man. No orange peel. I love it. Look at that, man. And that's tuxedo black. That color is called tuxedo black. It has a lot of pearls in it. If you look at it closely, man, it has purples, greens, blues. Anyway, so the compressor was a success. It was a good week. Worked good. I love it. Stay tuned for more videos. Stay tuned for more painting videos. And subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what y'all want to see. Let me know what kind of paint y'all want to learn how to do. Let me know what y'all want to see painted. And we'll get it done, man. So again, check out the grills. They came out sweet. So like I said, subscribe, like, comment, and catch me on the next one, man. Peace.
Las bocinas, el estéreo retumbando, unas modelos bien frías lo que ando tomando. Pasecito para andar levantado, un blontecito y que no falte el spray morado.